Welcome back to Math 171, Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at expanding a logarithm. So the problem we're going to work with is log base 6 of the cube root of x divided by 36y to the fourth. So the order that we're going to do this in is the first thing that we're going to do is use the quotient. Actually, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and write this in exponential notation to make our life easier. So log of x to the 1/3 is equal to 36 or over y to the fourth. Not equal to. Now we're going to go ahead and use the quotient rule. So we have log of x to the 1/3 minus the log of 36 y to the fourth. And I did leave off in the previous step, and I need to use it here. We're working log base 6. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and use the product rule on that second one. So log base 6 of x to the 1/3 minus, and I do need parentheses on this because these are both being done with the subtraction sign. So log base 6 of 36 plus log base 6 of y to the fourth. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the negative sign here. So I get log base 6 of x to the 1/3 minus log base 6 of 36 minus log base 6 of y to the fourth. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the product rule. Or not the product rule, the exponent rule. So 1/3 log base 6 of x minus log base 6 of 36 minus 4 log base 6 of y. And now, finally, we know that log base 6 of 36 is 2. So we get 1/3 log base 6 of x minus 2 minus 4 log base 6 of y. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at working the other direction and taking an expanded logarithmic statement and putting it back together into a single logarithm.